One of the most common challenges when trying to deploy legal AI is that you may have several tools that are good for specific use cases, but you don't have a single platform where you can try to access them all at the same time. That is where I think a tool like AnythingLLM could come in handy for the American Arbitration Association and what you guys are trying to accomplish. AnythingLLM is an open source all-in-one AI desktop application. It gives you complete control over your data, your documents, what models you're using to process them, and even how you're storing them in the vector databases. AnythingLLM comes with a ton of built-in features right out of the box. You can see some of them here on the screen. Starting from building from a workspace, this gives you complete control of all the aspects of the AI platform that you would want to have. The built-in features of this platform are going to let you control your LLM providers. It's also going to let you control what vector databases you want to utilize. You can get as far down into how you're doing the embedding or how you're breaking up your text splitting and chunking. All of those are built-in features. Also, you can utilize voice and speech and transcription if those are things you need. There is also an admin console that gives you access to all the back end of what's happening in your chats. In order to give your LLMs the context they need to be truly useful for your organization, you need the ability to be able to quickly organize and embed that information into your chats. AnythingLLM has an embedding tool built into it that can allow you to quickly create workspaces where you can house documents that you use all the time, or you can upload documents on the fly or even scrape websites to be able to give that context the LLM is going to need. And remember, one of the benefits of AnythingLLM is that it gives you full control over access, permissions, and data sharing with any of the LLM and vector databases that you might be working with. The built-in agent functions or skills that are customizable become really handy to get started very quickly when you want to utilize your custom documents and information, but also still be able to go out and do functions actually in the real world. Whether we're talking about being able to scrape the internet or save documents down to your computer or access a SQL or a Postgres SQL database. Any of these things are things that you can currently do with LLM using these agent functions that you're seeing here. So let's try out the chat with the embedded data I gave it for the American Arbitration Association, particularly the information related to Clause Builder. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, that's pretty good based off the little bit of knowledge that we embedded into it about Clause Builder, but what if we need to scrape the most recent information that it's out there, maybe from y'all's blog? And this is really where we see the agent functions come into play. Here you can see I activate the @agent function, and then that brings me into a chat with the agent, and now I'm going to ask it to go out and get the most recent information for me so I can incorporate that into my chat. So here you can see we have real world functions, just like you would be doing if you were doing this working with another person or doing the research yourself. Here we can see it came back with summaries of some of the most recent blogs, and then if I ask it to summarize the most recent one, we can get some more detailed information. So between our own embedded knowledge base and using whatever LLM we want, we're able to create a custom output that both has our internal knowledge, but also be able to get information directly from the internet, and then be able to even use this information to update your knowledge base for future uses. So in summary, if the American Arbitration Association is looking for an internal tool that they can utilize to do things more locally with more privacy for your data and documents, then I think something like AnythingLLM could be a great project. And Counsel would love to partner with you on it. So let us know what you're thinking, and we look forward to hearing from you.